create a variable to keep track of the first number the user enters. So when a user clicks a number button and then add that digit to the end of the variable, for example, clicking 2, then 5, then 8 should display 258. We also need to use the provided use calculator function to detect mouse clicks or write if statements to check if the mouse click was inside any number buttons area. If so, add the number to the variable, update the calculator, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so we're going to get started. So you've got our code. First thing that I want to do is I'm going to get rid of all this stuff up here. I'm also going to get rid of this. And then see here. Got our draw buttons. Got define right number, display message. Get rid of this. Okay, repeat this. Okay, so we're starting at 107. All right.
Hey, what are you doing? That was easy. Enzo, are you eating food? Or that was like bacon? What? Where did that come from?
Okay. So I'm gonna just put a comment in here to show, like, this is gonna be our top row, which has 7, 8, and 9. And that's what the 3 that I'm gonna do here is.
Thank you.
This actually needs to be back here. Yeah. Okay. And then what we need to copy is we're going to have to copy this right here. And then I'm going to go down. And this needs to drop back. Okay, and so this one's going to be if x is greater than... Hold on. Oh, okay, I see what they did. I'm going to undo that. What button did it? Oh, that's for 0. Okay. Bottom row is just 0. Okay. So that's so I actually need to copy this whole thing, because the bottom row just has 0 in it. And then I'm going to go here, drop down, paste. And so this one's going to be if y equals -10, or if y is greater than -10 and y is less than 30, then if x is greater than -80 and x is less than -40, then it needs to be canvas.num1 plus equals 7. I'm going to copy this again. Actually, I just need to copy this part, because I don't need to copy the y-axis again because I already have that. We're already on the y-axis. I just need to do all 3 buttons on the x-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and go down and go ahead and do it 3 times because I need it for 7, 8, and 9. This is for 7. 8's going to be -40 and 0. And that's going to be for 8. And then 9 is going to be 0 and +40. And so that's 9. Okay. And now I am going to copy this whole thing. And I'm going to go down one. I'm going to go back two, and I'm going to put a comment that this next one is going to be the second row. And that is 4, 5, and 6. And then I'm going to go down, and I'm going to paste. Alright, and so this one we just need to change the number, and we need to change the y variable. So here we should have if y is negative 50, and y is negative 10. 80, 40, yep. 40, 0, yep. 0, 40, yep. Okay, so this is going to be 4. This is going to be 5. And this is going to be 6. And then we're going to do the third row. This one's going to be third row. And that is 1, 2, and 3. And for this one, we need to change the y-axis to negative 90, negative 50, and then we need it to be 1, 2, and 3. And then this last y, we'll go ahead and label it. But this is just the bottom row, and the only number on the bottom row is 0. Okay, and so we can just leave it like that. Negative 130, negative 90, yes. 0, 40, yes, and 0, yes. Right canvas, get screen, use calculator. Okay, that should be it. Let's just make sure. Okay, let's just make sure it works. Run. Okay, now we got 258. 3, yeah, and you can keep typing in numbers and it works. Alright, so everything works, so we're good there, so we can submit and continue.